and violence.
Then you must see this.
I don't want.
ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, I am not going to say, Lord, I concede that in so far as grounds of arrest and all, I think my learned friend has been able to show some confidential record, but Lord, I am not going to peek into that.
Some ಏನ್ ಬಂತು?
Alla, that case diary is a confidential record. I have no right to look into that. But my Lord, there is one new ground which Lordships may
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ ಬೇರೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ there is a position of law which your Lordships, my Lord, we should be blessed with a new ruling by your Lordships. Telangana High Court, my Lord, relying on Priya Indoria and few other judgments of my Lord, Bombay High Court says, if a person is being arrested outside the jurisdiction without taking a transit warrant, arrest becomes illegal. Very clear, without my Lord any ambiguity, Telangana High Court, my Lord, says, referring to Priya Indoria, which rose from Karnataka state, and my Lord, referring to 4 other judgments of Bombay High Court and the view taken by different High Court, Telangana High Court says, if there is no transit warrant taken, if a person is being arrested outside the jurisdiction, transit warrant is a must. And in this case, my Lord, seemingly there is no transit warrant. 21 hours, my Lord, they port him down to Udupi from a place in Telangana. No transit warrant. So therefore, my Lord, on this ground, I think I may have to, my Lord, address. ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ರೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತಾವೇ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೋಮವಾರ ಅಥವಾ 10th ಇಟ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್.
ಏನು ಸ್ಟೇ ಏನಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೇ he is in judicial custody. Telangana High Court says he should be set at liberty.
We will do it on the next date. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ?
Then my Lord, that is the case. Your Lord,
ಈ ತಾನೇ 10th ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಬೇಡ ಸೋಮವಾರನೇ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಆನ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ವಾರೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Transit
ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ವಾರೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೀಮಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್.
ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. We have produced before the
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ವಾರೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 24 hours ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, that's not. Priya Indoria says if it is outside the jurisdiction, transit warrant.
No, there we have produced before the station house officer in the local jurisdiction. Law says both. I'll my Lord, senior counsel will argue that man.
My Lord, judicial power can't be, my Lord, given away to a police officer. We have produced before the police officer. Who is, my Lord, police officer in Telangana to authorize transit?
ಆಯ್ತು, ಸೂಸ್ತಾಂ
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. Your Lordships may kindly have it on Monday, my Lord.
ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, next working day. Your Lordships may kindly have it on Monday.
Tuesday. Monday I'm already full. 350 ಏನೋ ಇದೆ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ.
Tuesday, my Lord.
Tuesday ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಂತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. I am not going to say anything about that.
No, 1 minute, you should see.
I understand that, my Lord. I don't want to, my Lord. My Lord, I read, my Lord, looking at this pictures of violence, my Lord. I can't look at blood and violence.
Then you must see this.
I don't want to.
ಅದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು
I know.
ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟ್ ವಾರೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
I know a learned judge of the trial court who, my Lord, refused to watch a video of a murder. Said, ನನಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಫೈಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. I am also something.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ಲಿ. What are you seeing?
My Lord, it's gruesome, my Lord. I don't want.
Then
I don't know, my Lord, if this could be attributed to me or because I have.
What attributed? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೃತ್ಯಗಳದೇ ಅದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು accused ಅಲ್ಲ FIR ನಲ್ಲಿ. I never, my Lord, abducted him. My name comes later. I was not, my Lord, initially named person in the FIR.
So peeled off the skin from every part of the body.
I understand. Lord, I saw that.
Then
I saw that. Lord, there is a superficial torture, my Lord, which I concede.
Superficial.
ಅಲ್ಲ, superficially visible.
I think it's
apparently visible.
Apparent, superficially visible.
But I don't dispute that. But my Lord, at the same time, that if there is, my Lord, abrasion of law, my Lord, by way of
abrasion of skin, sir.
Abrasion of skin, my Lord, I concede. Abrasion of law, my Lord.
We'll see. Tuesday.
Yes, Tuesday. So great. The Telangana High Court also refers to, my Lord, few other judgments. No problem.
We'll lay down the law. notwithstanding these
That's the
things.
requirement. That's the requirement. On this point, there is no, my lord, judgment of Ahar look like.
But such people, I tell you,
I may not be seeking that indulgence for this petitioner, my lord, for the benefit of my lord the bar.
it's not, yes.